Wild weather night, tornado warning, strong wind and heavy rain. Good evening, everybody. I'm Mike Dardish. Cherie is off tonight. We're going to get to Chief Meteorologist Kevin Robinson here in just a few minutes. But first, two people trapped after their mobile home rolls off of its base. WLWT News 5's Emily Wood live with the frantic moments. Emily.
Mike, I want you to take a look behind me here. What you can see essentially is this mobile home right now is on its top. What you can see right now is the bottom of this home. According to the Pendleton County Search and Rescue Chief, he says two people, a married couple in their 70s, were inside this mobile home when it rolled off its base and down this hill. Search and rescue crews say the couple was trapped inside the home with no way to get out. The sheriff was the first on the scene and worked to get the gas and electric turned off before they could get inside. Crews were able to get inside to the homeowners and get them out safely in about 30 minutes. Both were taken to St. Elizabeth Hospital in Fort Thomas with minor injuries, mostly scrapes and bruises. Search and Rescue says this has been a busy night for first responders. Several calls coming in at the same time. Everyone thankful tonight this entrapment was accessible. Everyone is safe despite a few obstacles.
I do know that the structure is over end, which means that they was on the ceiling. So furniture around and just blocked their entrance and stuff laying on them and that sort of thing.
Crews still on scene tonight working in these rainy conditions. Another home on Blackburn Road had its roof ripped off. No one was injured there, but tonight there will be plenty of more work to do and definitely some cleanup that will have to happen starting in the morning. Reporting live tonight in Butler, Kentucky, in Pendleton County, Emily Wood, WLWT News 5.
Emily, thanks a lot. In Independence,